morning, everybody. I'm Vice Support, and I'm with Nielsen's Painting and Remodeling. We're here in this home in Dallas today, and I want to give you a little touch up on what was going on today. So beforehand, the homeowner really wanted to get an update on her bathroom. So what we had here beforehand, before you see this beautiful picture, is we had a fur down that was about 2 feet down. Had 3 can lights underneath. We had old school 80s countertop, over the top sink. So now we got this vessel sink here. And one interesting thing about these vessel sinks, because of this home, this cabinet here is not a standard size, so when I stand next to it, it seems really small. But what happens is when you install the countertop and put the vessel sink right on top, it gives it an illusion that is at standard height level. So for a taller guy like me, this isn't too low. So this is an important thing where you don't have to tear out your entire cabinets if you want to just achieve the illusion of having the vessel sink and making it seem taller. Here we add a new countertop, so we got the faucet that is running entirely through the wall, which is really important. The biggest thing that we were able to help our customer was change all of the plumbing that was underneath here. It was a big feat because we were thinking that we were going to have to replace everything with the cabinets alone, but we were able to access everything we needed on the underneath of it and take care of all of her plumbing needs, not just on this first powder bathroom, but her second powder. And then I'm going to lead you into the next thing with our shower. Alright, so this portion leads into our shower area for the Jack and Jill. What is really important about this hole in this wall is that we were able to save the tile in her shower and replace all of her plumbing so that's up to date and give her a brand new shower trim, which I'll show you over here in the bathroom. Okay, so here we go. Here's our shower area for our Jack and Jill. This is the new shower trim that we were able to install for our customer. We actually had a damage overflow, which I showed you on the back side of a closet. We were able to gain access so we can replace everything. So we didn't have to destroy all of our tile, but we made sure that we kept it together. Okay, and we have our powder number 2. So essentially we did the same thing. We wanted to match it and make sure we just updated everything and give us a look, adding this new black hardware, painting our cabinets, installing a new light fixture. Eventually we will install our mirror once we get that here, and we'll be sure to give you guys the pictures after all.